Binary number system has 2 digits 0 and 1, whereas decimal number system has 10 digits 0 to 9. But after 9, what happens? Again it becomes 0. See, 0 to 9. After that we have no more digits, we again give one 0. But after 9, 10 comes. How this 10 is made? After 9 again we start with 0 and add 1 to the left, just left. Then again it continues. As it continues 0 to 9, here also it will continue from 0 to 9. And 1 will be always there. This 1 will be constant. After 19, 20 comes. How 20 is done? Again after 9, we put 0 and add 1 to the left. Previously it was 1, so 1 plus 1 will be 2. Previously it was 1. 1 is added to this 1 and it becomes 2. As 2 belongs to the decimal number system, so it is valid. Similarly, it continues like this, and when it becomes 99, then after 9 again it has 0. We have to add 1 to the next 9, but it is also the last digit of decimal system, so here it will also be 0. So we add 1 to directly to the next digit of 9. There, here 1. Similar thing is done in the binary system. Binary system has 0, then after that 1. In decimal system 9 is the last digit, but in binary system 1 is the last digit. So again after 1 again 0 starts, and again 1. So for this 0 we have to add 1 to the left. It becomes 1 0. Here also the same 1 is constant, so this set remains like this. Then again 0 comes after 1, again 1 1. But this has reached the last stage of this is the last digit of the binary system, so after 1 again 1 0 will come, and we have to add 1 to this 0 in the left hand side, just next to it, so it becomes 1 0 0. Zero is constant here, this 1 is constant here. Again it starts with 0 and 1. Now as it has not reached the last digit, so we can keep 1 here, and this 1 is constant because we are changing the just next letter to the units place. 1 will be constant. So now it becomes 1 1 1. After this again 0 will come, but this one has reached the last position, so 0. Here also is 1 is there, so 0. Then 1 will be added to the next left. Again this is the start of the number, so again 1. This will be constant. Again 1 0 1 will be there. Now as this is 0, so it will be 1. This 2 will be constant. Now after 0 this is 1, so this 3 will be constant. Like this it will continue.